In this video, I'll guide you through how to add music to your site on Squarespace. Whether you're a musician wanting to showcase your latest track or a business looking to add some ambiance to your site, embedding audio can really enhance your visitors' experience. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the page where you'd like to add your music. Once you're there, click on the Edit button. This will allow you to make changes to the layout and content of your page. Editing mode is where all the magic happens, giving you the flexibility to customize your page exactly how you want it. Next, look for the Add Block option. Squarespace uses blocks to help you organize and add content to your site, and in this case, you'll be selecting the audio block. Adding a block is straightforward. Simply click on Add Block, and from the menu that appears, choose Audio. This will create a dedicated space for your music file on your page. Now that you have your audio block, it's time to upload your track. Click on the small pencil icon that appears within the block. This icon is your gateway to the settings where you can upload and manage your audio file. When selecting your track, make sure the file is optimized for the web. Ideally, it should be under 20 megabytes. This not only ensures that your site loads quickly, but also provides a seamless listening experience for your visitors. Once your file is uploaded, it's time to consider how you want your audio player to look. Squarespace offers a couple of design options to choose from. Click on the Design tab and you'll see two styles, Classic and Minimal. The Classic player is more traditional, showcasing playback controls and a progress bar. It's perfect if you want a straightforward player with all the bells and whistles. On the other hand, the Minimal player is sleek and unobtrusive, ideal for a clean look that doesn't distract from the rest of your page's content. Selecting the right player design can make a big difference in how your site feels to users, so choose the one that best suits your style and branding. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily add music to your Squarespace site. Remember, the key is to keep your audio files optimized and choose a player design that complements your site's aesthetic. Adding music can be a powerful way to engage your audience, whether you're setting a mood, sharing a story, or promoting your latest work. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.